You've got a lot of work to do, and you need a tool that will get the job done right. Introducing the 18V Cordless Impact Driver, available as a kit or as a bare tool. Power, comfort, convenience, performance. The Makita-built 4-pole motor delivers 1,420 inch-pounds of max torque with a variable speed. Compact and ergonomic, it's got a redesigned grip that just fits. And a built-in LED light. Its one-touch, keyless, quarter-length chuck makes it easy. The 18V Cordless Impact Driver. The star on your LXT tool and battery means they're equipped with Star Protection computer controls technology that protects your battery and tool for optimum performance. LXT also has the fastest charge time in the category, powered by a fast-charging LXT battery. It's part of Makita LXT, the world's largest 18V lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.